In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create list in ClickUp step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and how to set up a clear, organized list that your team can start using right away. First, go to ClickUp. Open it in your browser or the desktop app and sign in if prompted. If you're part of multiple workspaces, make sure you're in the correct one so your new list ends up in the right place. The interface can look slightly different depending on your theme or plan, but the core actions are the same. If you ever feel lost, remember you can use the search bar to quickly jump to spaces, folders, or existing lists. Next, click on the space you want to work on. A space is the top level container for related work like a department or a major project. Choosing the right space keeps everything organized and makes permissions and reporting cleaner later on. If your space uses folders, you can open the specific folder where you want the list to live so it stays grouped with similar work. The key here is to think about where this list belongs before you create it. Moving is possible later, but choosing thoughtfully now saves time. Now click on the plus icon to add. You'll usually find this plus sign in the left sidebar or near the space or folder name. If you don't see it immediately, hover your mouse near the location where you want to add something. The icon often appears when you hover. Clicking it opens a small menu with different item types you can create. From that menu, click on List and then customize it. Give your list a clear descriptive name, something like Q3 marketing tasks or client onboarding team A. Add a short description if it helps your team understand the scope. If prompted, confirm the location so it's saved under the correct space or folder. You can often set a color or icon to make it stand out in the sidebar. This is also a great moment to choose or adjust statuses. Keep them simple to start, such as to do in progress and done, so your team can move tasks smoothly. If your plan supports it, consider adding custom fields you'll actually use, like priority, effort, or due date, and set a default view such as list or board based on how your team prefers to work. If templates are available, you can apply one now to jumpstart your structure. When everything looks good, confirm to create the list. That's it. You went to ClickUp, opened the right space, used the plus icon, and created a customized list. You can refine details anytime as your workflow evolves.